buddy of mine was telling me about a truck for sale. You know how much of a sucker I am for buying more trucks. We're in the Dirty Mac, with the trailer hooked up. Going over to pick up another truck. Alright, we got over here to pick up the truck, and you guys have already been cutting it off. They're on it. They're not messing around. Anyway, it's a C60. I'm guessing around a 65, maybe a little earlier even, maybe 63. I'm not exactly sure. Anyway, couldn't resist. We got to get it. So he's wanting it gone, and they're going to use the drivetrain, I guess, on something else. So brought the old Dirty Max over here to pick her up. Got to work the old girl every now and then. Keep her in check. He's having to cut the shifter. Are you getting it? How was going? Is it? Yeah, hold on. How you gonna get out? Back out. Should we play the song, Just the Good Old Boys?
Just the good old boys never mean no harm.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, that little shifter handle still works.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's cool. Well, it looks like it's all fair. If we can get it on the trailer, we'll be doing good.
I just telling him, I've been there since I've been out here. I've been there since the 90s.
Really? Wow. Yeah, just however you can get it on there. You're not going to hurt that trailer. If you scratch it, don't worry about it. I know I'm not. Hey, Dad. Can you hold this?
It's cold?
Yeah, just go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Video personnel.
I'm a photographer.
I can see that.
No, that's all right. We get everybody in them.
Where you guys from?
I'm from Pendleton. He's up in Anderson, South Anderson.
My daughter lives in Pendleton.
Really?
There's another couple 3 yards right now.
Yeah.
My mother.
Uh-huh.
Very close now.
Wait, in between the video loads.
Hey, you got a hydraulic leak.
Which one?
Sorry. I put 7 gallons. Hey, can you unhook that other side, that corner? There we go. junk like normal. It's not really junk. All right, guys, I've been working on the bumper car. Right now I'm doing body work and trying to get this thing buttoned up. So we're getting ready to paint it here soon. I put it up on the scissor lift. Makes it a lot easier to get it up here elevated where you can sand on it and stuff. So that's what I'm working on today. I've just been sanding and trying to get it smooth. We're gonna paint it orange with a high metal flake. So it should look pretty good. It's all done. All right, guys, I'm out here in the garage working on the bumper car. So what I did is I painted this bumper car orange, and I didn't want to bore everybody with painting it. So basically, you're gonna probably laugh, but I painted this thing with spray cans. So what I did is I took this paint, got it at Menards, nothing spectacular. I sanded this thing down, I primered it, and then I painted it with that orange. I went and got this glitter. I ordered this on Amazon. You can see the glitter. It's pretty cool. So Julie wanted this really glittery. So what I did is I got it on there. I don't know if you can tell a whole lot. I've just got the first coat of clear on. So this will be real shiny when it's all finished. But as you can see, she's glittery. It's got a lot of glitter on it. That's how Julie wanted it, so that's what we're doing. It's pretty cool though. It's gonna look pretty neat. Hopefully we can get this all finished up and take it to the Evil Shindig down in Evansville. So that's what I've been doing. My problem was I was trying to figure out how in the world I was going to spray this glitter. You can see it right here. I mean, it's real fine and it's real lightweight. It's not real heavy. So I was trying to think, I thought, you know what? How am I gonna put that glitter on here? I was just gonna sprinkle it on it, but I knew that probably wouldn't work. So this is what I did. I bought this a while back. It's a sandblaster. It's an air sandblaster. So what I did is I drilled out the tip of it so it would push out more product. And then I filled this up with glitter, which obviously I bought this whole can. And if you can look, you can see how much I used, not very much. I just used not even half of it. Put it in the gun, and what I did is I painted it and then I put the clear on it. Well, as soon as I put the clear on it, as it was real wet, I took that and just went like this over it, and literally it just laid on it. I mean, wherever I see a light area, like down the side, I just go in and I just hit it a little heavy, and it really turned out pretty good. Surprisingly, it surprises me that it turned out as good as it did. So that's what I've been working on, and once I get it finished, get it all cleared out, I'll let you guys know and I'll show you the finished product. All right, I got another coat of clear on it. It's starting to lay down pretty good. It's kind of hard to see in a video here, but you can kind of get the idea. Obviously this is tape. Underneath here is the chrome trim. So once I get it all off here, it should really pop. So get it all off there and get everything put back together, get the new seat put back in it, the decals and everything. But yeah, she's glittery.
So shiny.
It looks pretty wild. I think it's really going to turn out nice once we get everything put back together. All right, we'll let this dry and then we'll get another coat of clear on her. All right, got her all painted. Got it put together. She's glistening. Look at that hood. Yeah, that's pretty cool. She glistens. Get the seats back from the upholstery shop and we'll be set. All right, guys, I got the bumper car all painted. I'm gonna kind of explain what I've done here. So here she is, she's all painted. I ended up painting the base of this around here black because it was all rusted down through there along the bottom. So I painted this area black and just armor-rolled the bumpers. The paint doesn't look too bad. There's some blemishes and stuff on this. Obviously it's so old, it's gonna have that. It doesn't have to be mint condition or anything like that for what we're using. But I was gonna explain to you what I've done and how I've done this. So what I did is I bought some just normal primer. I'm not sponsored by none of these companies, but I'm just showing you. This is a Rust-Oleum primer. I primered the whole bumper car with this. Then I went back and we painted it with this orange, which is spray cans. Everything's been done with spray cans. Then when that dried, I took these turbo cans. I don't know if anybody's ever used these or not. They're pretty awesome. So this one is the clear. They make this in black and brown. I don't know, there's a bunch of other colors, but I basically use the clear more than anything. So what I did is I sprayed this, and this thing leaves one heck of a fan when you're painting. So what I did is I sprayed this and cleared the whole car. Well, as it was wet, I've got this glitter that I was showing you earlier. It's pretty awesome. And I bought this on Amazon. It's a little hand sandblaster. I don't know a whole lot about it. I just know that it doesn't work as well on sandblasting than what they say. But that's okay, because I used it for other stuff. So what I did is I took a funnel, one of these funnels, and I cut the bottom out so I could fill up the top of this with the metal flake. So when I did that, as it was real wet, I just stood back probably about 4 foot from it, and I just sprayed the glitter all over it, and it literally just showered down on top of this thing. And then on the side of it, let me go around the back here. So there's the back end. So on the sides, I was concerned on how I was gonna glitter on the side of this thing. So what I did, I had this up on this lift right here. So what I did is I had it elevated real high. Well, then I just went down through the side and I just glittered the whole side of this thing. Underneath that edge where the chrome is, I did all that. So I don't know. I mean, for being a spray can job, I think it turned out pretty good. So we have a new sticker that we ordered for the hood. It should be coming in about any time. It's a Goens garage sticker. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching this. The whole build's going pretty well. As soon as I get this all finished up, the seat's at the upholsterer shop right now, then I got this one that I'm gonna be bringing in next. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it green. We're gonna repaint it just like we did that. Same thing, I have to cut out the whole inside to be able to put that mobility scooter in there. I've got it sitting on the forks right now. I'm gonna bring it in here real soon and get started on it. But that's what I've been working on.
property out here. It's all hilly.
Don't lose the ashtray on it.
The ashtray.
Long time since I've done any of this, so it's gonna be fun.
That's awesome. We've got a buddy that's got a really beautifully finished COE. And I mean, it is like you're talking about. Everything is done exactly right. It's beautiful.
I might be able to get it done. We'd probably be able to get it done a little sooner, but I used to have a power tools business. And so next spring, we're hoping that out of his diesel shop, there's enough room we're going to put in an oven and everything. We'll start doing power tools. So that's most of my money right now. But he sent me this the other day, and I was like, oh, I hate you.
Yeah, they're very, very cool. Even just the mirror on the side with the Mac on it is awesome.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, he knows Aaron's not going to drop anything on him. It's so funny. I don't know if you could hear me and Aaron out here talking last night. But I was like, John was talking about moving and stuff. I'm like, I ain't moving. Like, I like it here, you know. And I don't have any desire to really move away from you guys. Like, because what we have works so well. Like, and I'm never going to find good neighbors again. Aaron's like, yeah, if you guys sell, we're moving.
Yeah.
Like he said, we're not staying.